In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draft a simple contract using Grok AI. We'll move step by step so you can follow along easily. First, open Grok AI. You can do this from the official website in your browser or by launching the Grok AI app on your device. Give it a moment to load. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the main workspace. Next, open the chat interface. This is where you'll interact with Grok AI and guide it to produce the contract you need. If you're on desktop, the chat window typically appears on the main screen. On mobile, look for the chat icon and tap it to start a new conversation. By the way, if you need the official website or the app download, you'll find a direct link right at the top of the description, so you're in the right place. Now, provide the key details of your contract in the chat box. Clearly type who the parties are, what each party is agreeing to do, the start and end dates, payment amounts and timing if applicable, and any important obligations or deadlines. Keep your wording simple and specific. For example, say, service provider will deliver X by date, and client will pay amount within number days. The more precise your input, the better the draft will be. Avoid including private data you don't need to share. When your details are ready, ask Grok to draft the contract. You can type something like, draft a simple contract with these details, or create a basic agreement for this arrangement. Paste your key points right after your prompt so Grok has everything in one place. Then send your message and let it generate the first draft. When the draft appears, review it carefully. Check that names, dates, amounts, deliverables, and responsibilities are correct. Make sure the timeline makes sense and that there's no ambiguity in the obligations. If you're using this for an important transaction, remember this is a starting point, not legal advice. Consider having a qualified professional review it before signing. Finally, refine as needed. Ask Grok to clarify unclear terms, reformat sections for readability, or add missing parts like a definition section or a clearer termination clause. You can also request a friendlier or more formal tone, or ask it to shorten or expand certain sections. That's how you can quickly draft simple contracts using Grok AI. Thanks for watching.